Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to discuss about the HTML headings and paragraph. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. The headings are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading and h6 defines the least important heading. So let's start. Open the document, doc type, then open the HTML tag, and then inside we open the body tag, and inside body tag let's say we open h1 tag and we say main heading, and then we open the h2 tag and we say subheading, and then we open the h3 tag and we say some other heading. Okay, then h4 tag we can say h4 heading, and then go for h5 tag and h5, let's say h5 heading, and in the last is the h6 tag. And there is, you see, let me show you. Okay, main heading h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. So this is the difference between each heading. And then if we write a paragraph, let's see, we say this is a paragraph under headings. So you see, these are the headings. We can define them with h1 to h6 tags, and this is the paragraph, as you can see a normal text in the web page. So this is the difference between the headings and the paragraph. So that's it. If you enjoy this, keep following me. Thank you.